Welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical, electrical and electronics and communication people. So this is a great opportunity for three departments to make use of it. Let us see. So the name of the company is Oil India Limited. So I will be giving the link in the description. When you click on that link, you will be directed to this page. So there you can see many icon at the top. You have to choose careers. So there will be an option called career, which I rounded. You have to choose a option career. Below that there will be many options. In that you have to choose current openings. So when you click current opening, it will be directing to the another page where opportunities will be there. So here you can see many job opportunities. The one which we are going to see today is recruitment of grade C, grade B and grade A officers in oil, that is Oil India Limited. So next column there will be an option called apply online. So before applying it, let us see the advertisement so that we can know other details too. So you can click on the advertisement, a PDF will be opening. So this is the PDF. I'm not going to explain everything, you just have a glance of it and read each and every line if you want to apply for this job. So let us see, there will be many options, that is we are going for grade A, grade B, grade C, right? So see, there will be many options. So whichever category you are coming, you just read entire details. So let us see, this is for senior officer electrical. Totally there will be 15 posts. Number of posts will be, I think so, 15 posts. And you just cross check because I don't have that top column, right? So when you open the PDF, you just cross check this alone. And as usual, you have to secure 65% mark and other details. And next is senior officer for electronics and communication. So EC students, so total number of recruitment will be 16. And next is senior, okay, I think so it's 2, number of posts will be 2. And next is senior officer for mechanical, so number of posts will be 10. So they have gave the scale price and all. You just see whether it's fit for you, and if you are willing means just go for it. And next is for mechanical, we are having two different categories. So here the number of posts will be 10. So if you are willing means just go for it, and you have to fill everything before October 10. And if you come down means they will be giving the application fees. So for general or OBC, it's 500 plus applicable taxes. If you are belonging to SC, SC, PWBD or EWS ex-serviceman means then no need to pay any fees. So selection will be based on like you have to attend a computer based test, and totally there will be 100 marks. So weightage for this is 85%. Qualifying marks for general OBC category is 50%, SC ST candidates is 40%. Next, you have to attend a group discussion or GD. For that, they are allotting 30 marks. The weightage will be 5%. There is no qualifying mark for this. And last but not least, it's a personal interview. Total marks is 10, and weightage they are giving is 10%. There is no qualifying marks. So if you come down means the same thing for group B and group C. First step is you have to sign in for registration. So I will be telling how to sign in and how to fill the details and all. You have to fill your email ID, mobile number and basic details. Second thing is you have to complete the application form by filling your address, qualification details, etc. and have to upload your photograph, image, etc. The third step is you have to pay online for the application fee. So as I said before, it's 500 for general and OBC. So just follow the procedure what they gave in the PDF for paying the fees. And next is the opening. Its website is open on from 15/9/2021 till 10/10/2021. So before that you have to apply for this job. And next thing is come backwards so that you will be coming here. There will be an option called apply online. If you click the option apply online, you will be directing to this page. So here we can see a option called click here. So if you click means if you want to see the advertisement, you can see the details. When you scroll down, there will be an option called register now. So you have to click the icon register now, then only you will be registering all the details. So here you have to fill the every details which I said before in the PDF. So you have to select the post and you have to fill your name and email address, etc. So for selecting the post, if you are belonging to electrical, choose electrical. If you are belonging to EC, choose ECE. If you are belonging to mechanical, choose mechanical. So fill all the details and give all the details, and also you have to upload your photograph, just check how much KB they are asking, and you have to upload your sign also. So if you complete everything means you will be applied for this job, and you have to wait for the mail, and you have to attend the interview as well as computer based test and group discussion and interview, etc. I hope so it will be very useful for electrical and electronics and communication and mechanical students. So don't miss this opportunity. It's a great opportunity for all of you, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivated. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. We will be getting all the job opportunities to your doorsteps. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.